everyone. Today I am doing something that gives me anxiety. I'm in my hometown here in northern New Hampshire. Very, very small town. I brought a couple of my wigs because I want to film a couple videos while I'm here till I go back to LA. And and so the video I'm filming today is wearing a wig in a small town for the first time. I don't know, I just feel like in my like super small hometown where I literally know everyone who walks past me, there's just such judgment. It's scary. Like, I hate being judged. I mean, I know I put my stuff on the internet, and like internet stuff to me is totally different than in real life. So today we're conquering a fear. That's what we're doing. We're conquering a fear, and I will be wearing a purple wig around my small town today. So, first things first, put the wig on, and then we're gonna eat some lunch, and then I have to go get my car inspected. And I'm running out of time, so let's go. I got my wig to a place where I'm comfortable. Let's go see what my stepdad and my brother say. Do you like it?
I do. Looks almost as good as mine.
Does it look real?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like extra real. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, yeah.
Extra real.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Do you think people are gonna look at me weird?
No.
No.
Really?
I came in yesterday and walked up to your mother and told her, your husband has great hair.
We are ready to go. We are masked up. We are wigged up. Let's go sit at my local auto shop to get my car inspected. My mom called about an inspection.
Yeah, they'll bring you right in.
Yeah, awesome, thank you. Okay, well, I mean, they kind of looked at me weird, of course, but what am I gonna expect, you know? I just look like such a character, like I'm from a TV show that no one's seen. I also hope that my car doesn't cost a lot of money. Oh my gosh. They just closed the garage so I can't watch my car. Is that legal? Okay, so, ooh, this lighting though. So they called me in and they wanted to show me everything wrong with my car, of course. But while I was standing there, I explained to them how I live in California, hence why there's no rust on my car. At least not like new rust, you know. At the point that I said I live in California, literally everyone in the room was like, oh, yes. Suddenly this makes sense to you. I get it. I see that now. There are issues with my car, so I'm gonna have to bring it back in a couple days. But the auto shop is actually really close to this abandoned train station that's in the woods that I remember learning about when I was little. So I wanted to come over here and send Exploring with Josh some photos. Not that you can really go in there, but I thought it was cool, so I wanted to show him. And so I just went into the woods. Oh, you can't really see it. It's right there. I'll put some photos that I took up on the screen. I'm afraid I have ticks on me now or something, but I guess we'll find out later. So now I'm just gonna go home. I do have to finish editing my video that's coming out. Today's Friday, so I'm finishing up the video that's going up today. That is my little sister waxing my bikini line. My God. Yeah, so let's do that. What? What? Do you like my wig? Oh my gosh, I thought there was some here and I was like, okay, then I won't go in there. Do you like it?
I like it. It looks perfect with your shirt. The doll.
A troll. Yeah, I was only at the auto shop for like 5 minutes and I put my camera in my lap when I was sitting there and I was just talking to the camera like this, wearing a mask. And then they look at me and they close the garage. And I was like, oh no, what if they do something to my car and I like can't see them? And then there's two like younger guys that work there. Yeah. And they're like, okay, yeah, let's lower it. So one of the guys drives the car and I was like, thanks, see you next week. And then I'm sitting there editing and I get a new Facebook request from the guy that works. I'm going to show everyone my new YouTube video before it goes up and I'm really excited. This new video is titled, I asked my little sister to wax my bikini line.
Nice. Wow.
Jeez, why would you do that?
That's do the whole thing.
Yeah. What? Do you want me to do it?
So I'm gonna take my mom's car to the store. I wish someone would go with me, but no, I gotta go alone. So let's see how that goes. Gonna take the hot rod to the store. Oh my gosh, why did I just say that like that? I'm in New Hampshire for like 1 week and I already sound like I've lived here for 50 years. What is going on? Okay, let's go to the store. There's already a lady in that car that wouldn't stop looking at me. Don't you have somewhere to drive? Okay. So, this was so strange. So, of course, I'm like trying not to make eye contact. Like, I don't really want to know if people are looking at me anyways. But I go to check out and there's a woman in front of me in line and, you know, she's buying a bunch of stuff. And the lady at the cash register obviously is like answering some question about the masks, which is mandatory per the state of New Hampshire for everyone in stores to wear masks. The woman cashing out isn't wearing a mask and the woman at the register is not wearing a mask. So obviously that's the conversation that they're having. And the woman at the register has like this like faded pink hair and she says, I have colored hair so I think different. And I'm thinking to myself, like what? Like if you have different colored hair in New Hampshire then you don't agree with wearing masks in stores? Like wait, what? They're just chit-chatting away, like laughing, you know, having good chat. So and then the lady in front of me cashes out and then she leaves and I go up and I'm like hi and she's like hi. Zero conversation. She was just acting so like cold, like suddenly someone's wearing a mask or it's like someone has colored hair and is wearing a mask and doesn't have a problem with it. It was just so bizarre. I can't help but think that because of how I look right now and the fact that I'm wearing a mask during a pandemic made her treat me differently than the woman in front of me. Yeah, that was real strange. I don't really like that. But anyways, that's pretty much it for my day here wearing a wig. It literally just dawned on me that when I go back in with my car next week, they're probably going to expect me to have purple hair. Have to decide if I'm wearing this wig next week too or not. But in the end, definitely got over a good fear of mine being judged in my hometown. And it definitely made me realize that a lot of my life living here, I was people pleasing, not just in my actions, but in my attire and my choice of style. Because I just wanted to blend in. I just wanted to be like everyone else. And when I moved to Los Angeles, I was able to become, you know, a whole person and have my own thoughts, my own style. And when I'm back here, I just feel like I have to fit in again. But that's why today meant a lot to me, because that just goes to show I can be more myself here. And at the end of the day, I'm strong enough that it doesn't matter how people treat me. In the end, I'm still me, and I'm still gonna look like how I wanna look, no matter what. This has been an experience for sure. Stay tuned for my next video where I try wigs on my mom for the first time. She's not really excited about it, but I am. So we'll see you next time. Bye!